Hello, myself Tanmay Bagadia from Group 318. Today we will discuss about physics of nucleic acids. The physics of nucleic acids such as DNA and RNA is a branch of biophysics that focuses on understanding the physical principles governing the structure, dynamic and interaction of these molecules. Nucleic acids are long polymers made up of nucleotide monomers, and their behaviors can be analyzed through various physical models and theories. Here are the some key concepts. The first is the structure of nucleic acid. Second is elastic and flexibility. Third is thermodynamics. Fourth is DNA supercoiling. Fifth is the sixth is electrostatics, and seventh last is molecular dynamic simulations. Now we will study about the structure of nucleic acids. DNA typically exists in a double helix structure stabilized by the hydrogen bond between complementary bases AT and GC. RNA, on the other hand, is usually single-stranded but can form secondary structures like hairpin or loop due to intermolecular base pairings. The DNA double helix can adopt different conformations, with the most common being the B form, but there are other forms like aDNA and zDNA that appears under the specific conditions. Now second is elasticity and flexibility. DNA behaves like a flexible polymer, and its mechanical properties can be studied using the models such as the worm-like chain model and the fairly jointed chain models. These describe how DNA can bend, twist or stretch in response to forces. The precise length of DNA is measure of its stiffness and around 50 nanometer for B form DNA, meaning that over the length scales the molecule behave as if they are rigid. The third is thermodynamics. The stability of DNA and RNA structure can be analyzed thermodynamically, considering the factors like temperature, ionic structure and sequence compositions. The fourth is DNA supercoiling. DNA can be supercoiled when it twisted beyond its relaxed stage, resulting in the overwound positive supercoiling or underwound negative supercoiling conformations. These are biological implications in processes such as replication and transcriptions. Supercoiling is described quantitatively by permanent like the in-linking number LK, twist TW and WR. The fifth is single molecule experiments. Techniques like optical twilizers, magnetic twilizers and atomic forces microscopy allow researchers to study the mechanical properties of nucleic acids at the single molecular level. These experiments can be provide insights into the forces required to stretch, bend or twist DNA can be observed real time. The sixth is electrostatics. DNA is negatively charged due to its phosphate backbone, and its behavior in solution is strongly influenced by the electrostatic interactions with surrounded ions like sodium or magnesium. The seventh one is molecular dynamic simulations. Computation methods including molecular dynamic and Monte Carlo simulations are used to explore the conformational space of nucleic acids, simulate their interaction with other biomolecules like protein and ligands, and predict their structure and dynamic properties. The interplay of these physical concepts help explain how nucleic acids function in biological systems, include their roles in progress like replication, transcription, translation. Understanding their physical is crucial for fields like molecular biology, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology.